Hello everyone, my name is Sonja. Today we will talk about aerial reconnaissance. I played a little as a drone operator. The fire and range of airsoft grenade launchers and mortars has created a situation where the grenadier does not directly see the target he is shooting at. Therefore, to adjust the fire, I purchased a DJI Mini 2 quadcopter. I chose this drone because it has a small size and weight, and I carry a lot of equipment anyway. Applying it on several games, I made some conclusions. I carry the drone and its accessories in a special case. The cover can be used as a take-off platform. I put the cover in my gas mask bag. From the outside, it doesn't look like I have a high-tech device. In the kit, I carry the drone itself, the remote control, spare batteries and flash cards. Also, I carry camouflage clothes with me. It is needed in order to close the screen from glare on a sunny day. I take off and land by hand. There is not always a good and clean landing area. If the landfill is new and unknown, then the drone can be flown for reconnaissance and assessment of the landfill. When working with a drone, it is no longer possible to shoot. Therefore, shooting from a grenade launcher yourself and adjusting with the drone will not work. You can correct either grenadiers or mortar. It is necessary to be near the commander in order to quickly give intelligence. The drone helps a lot in command and control. Airsoft turns into a kind of real-time strategy game. In order not to become an easy target, one of the fighters needs to guard the drone operator. To quickly talk on the radio, I use a special headset with a button on my finger. From the takeoff site to the reconnaissance site, it is advisable to make a small deceptive maneuver so that enemy observers would not notice the launch site and direct artillery there. The drone has its limitations. It is better to use the drone in open areas without a lot of trees. Since the enemy also changes tactics, seeing the drone and hiding behind the foliage of trees, you can fly over a dense forest for a long time and not notice anyone. I recommend looking at the drone's camera not down but a little obliquely. The camera sees far, and when the enemy sees the drone has flown away, he relaxes and comes out of cover. It must be understood that the drone cannot only help but also interfere with its troops. No need to block the flight paths of mines and shells. The drone is noisy and can make it difficult to hear a sneaking enemy. Therefore, I recommend flying high so as not to interfere and not to be shot down by players. The drone has serious limitations due to the weather. Rain, snow and strong winds will prevent you from using the drone in battle. It is also necessary to practice in flights and maneuvers. Even with experience, it will be possible to better identify objects and look out for a hidden enemy. The drone can also be used not only on airsoft but when traveling or on vacation. A quadcopter is not a miracle weapon, but in capable hands it can be a serious advantage.